Fresh out Charlie P's. You see the drip. Work attire. And I got my daughter, my 9-year-old. She wanna try some driver lessons. We in the vacant part of our neighborhood. They still building over here, so we in a safe area. Lord, please be with us. You see her? 86 Camaro, man. It's LS swap. Shout out to my boy Nook. But hey, we finna see how it go. Hey y'all pray for me. I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous, I'm scared. Lord, if she wrecked, bro, hey, at least it's my car and not my wife's car. So hey, let's do it. Let's do it. Hold on.
Oh, it's my fit thing.
Hold on, give me a second. You ready?
Yep.
But hold the gas. Hold the brake down. All right, now put it in drive.
Wait. That's it?
Yeah. Ease.
Ease on the brake.
Ease on the gas a little bit. You go ahead. Doing good. Then ease on it. Got it. Turn the wheel. Stay in the road. Ease on the gas a little bit. You got it. Ease on the gas a little bit. And stay in your lane. Alright, slow it down. Ease on the brake. Ease on the brake a little bit more. Alright, keep going. And make sure you go around in a circle. Turn it, 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 turn it. Alright, now straighten that thing back up this way. Alright, now ease on the gas. Stay in your lane. Doing her thing, y'all. Slow it down a little bit. Start turning. Go ahead. Alright, now press the gas. Give it some gas.
Oh no.
You're good. Keep straight. Get in your lane. Yeah, right now. Keep straight.
I know, I'm trying to.
Oh yeah, easy. Gas a little bit, baby. Alright, now slow down. Now turn. You got it. Alright, now pressure on the brake. Yeah, give some gas. Two times. Keep going.
Let me go around that way.
Now just turn to the right. You got it. boy. That's what I'm talking about. Turn a little bit. Slow it down a little bit. Keep going. Chevy Silverado, my dad's truck. It was red. I remember my first time getting in there. I thought I could drive. I bagged up at the barbershop parking lot, and I pressed the gas down to the floor. Well, my dad almost had a heart attack. Well, I almost had a heart attack. Talking about some nervous as kids, man.